Good afternoon, traders. We have a very pleasant surprise. Apple Computer beat the earnings finally. They announced a $110 billion repurchase buyback program. Okay, so once again, this stock has been dead for the last couple years. It's been dead. They haven't made it. They haven't reported well. They knocked it out of the park. They talked about AI configuration with their iPhones. iPhone sales, once again, iPhone sales are down. They're not up, period. So they beat on other metrics in their model. This is the 170 call that expires on May 10th. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Here, we were down here. Apple was left for dead. It's been in a very, very long downtrend, and most fund managers exited it. But every dog's got its day, just like Tesla had its day. Well, listen, he came out, they popped the stock. This is the big bar. We cleared all the technical, the 100-day, the 50-day, the 150-day, most importantly, the 200-day. This is the 50-day right there. We're slightly above it. So for us to say that this trend is totally broken, I can tell you right now, trader, we have to close above 189 to break this downtrend. And we're going to have daily buy signals that we have now. They started buying ahead of time, okay? And they did. Look, they have not performed well. They didn't perform well in 2023. They did not perform well in the last quarterly report. You don't think so? I got the chart right here in front of you. This is where this stock started to crater over here. Then it cratered here. And it's been in a long yearly downtrend. But the good news is, buy the dips, sell the rips, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't you miss out on that next play. Let's go ahead and get you rolling in that Apple computer. Once again, I showed you the 170 call options. Don't hesitate. Don't wait.